Hello, my little learners. I'm your host and host. Welcome you all in Learn Smart Science tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about parts of a plant. Plant is a living thing. They are very important for us. Plants have roots, stem and leaves. Some plants also have flowers and fruits. These parts work together to help the plant live and grow. We have different body parts that carry out different functions. Observe a plant. Does it also have a different parts? Yes, plants also have different parts. The part above the ground is called the shoot. It consists of the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. The part below the ground is called the root. A plant has two main parts. Root. It is the part of plant that grows under the ground. Shoot. It is the part of plant that grows above the ground. Root. Root is the part of a plant that grows under the ground. It takes up water and minerals from the soil and passes them onto the shoot. Two types of roots are there, taproot and fibrous root. Let's discuss one by one. Taproot. See this picture carefully. Some plants have one main root growing downward from the stem. Many smaller roots grow from this root. Such roots are called taproots. Examples: pea, bean, turnip, mustard and carrot. Fibrous root. See this picture carefully. When many roots of different sizes grow from the ends of a shoot, it is called fibrous root. There is no main root. Examples: wheat, rice, grass and onion. Now discuss about function. Fibrous root system and taproot system. Roots holds the plant firmly to the soil. It absorbs water and minerals dissolved in water from the soil. Some roots store food in them. We eat some of these roots as food. For example, carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish and sweet potato. Now learn about shoot. See this picture carefully. The shoot consists of a parts of a plant that grow above the ground. It has the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud. This is the part of shoot. Shoot is above the ground. Stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. A stem holds a plant straight. It carries water and minerals from the roots to all parts of a plant. When food is prepared by the leaves, the stem carries it to all parts of the plant. There are two types of stems, strong and weak. Banyan tree have a strong stem. Plants such as a grapevine and watermelon have a weak stem. Leaf. A leaf is the most important part of a shoot. It has many parts. Most plants have green leaves. Leaves may be of different shapes, colors, and sizes. Now discuss parts of a leaf. See this picture carefully. Axil, vein, tip, blade, petiole, stipple. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. Flat part is called leaf blade. Many small tubes known as veins covers the entire leaf blade. The central vein is midrib. On the lower side of the leaf there are small pores called stomata. How do leaves prepare food? See this picture carefully. A green leaf makes food for plant. They are called food factory or kitchen of the plant. A green colored pigment called chlorophyll is present in the leaves. It helps to trap sunlight. Leaves get carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. This process is called photosynthesis. See this picture. How sunlight raises, how oxygen, how carbon dioxide, and how water takes plant. The food made by leaves helps the plant to grow. Leaves of spinach, coriander, mint, and cabbage store food. We eat these as a vegetables. During photosynthesis, leaves give out oxygen. We need it for survival. Do you know the sun shines on the leaves? The air enters through the holes on the leaves. The leaf uses its green color to make food. The stem passes the water and minerals to the leaves. The roots take in water and minerals from the soil. Birds and flowers. How bird convert into flower. A bird on the stem of plant grows into a flower. A flower is the most attractive part of the shoot. Different flowers have a different colors, sizes and shapes. They also have different scents. They are used for making perfumes. We eat fruits of many plants. Fruits are formed from the flowers. They are the ripened part of a plant that is fleshy and can be eaten. See this picture, how a plant grow up. They are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Some fruits have one seed inside them like mango and peach. Some have many seeds like papaya, guava, watermelon and orange. Pineapple has no seeds. Seeds. See how seed grow up. Seeds are found inside a fruit. Seeds are of different shapes, sizes, and colors. Seeds grow into new plants. A baby plant is hidden inside a seed. A seed also stores food for the baby plant to grow into a new healthy plant. Seeds need warmth and light of the sun, air, water, and soil. Functions of shoot. Stem holds the plant upright and support its branches. Leaves, buds, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. Leaves of some plants are used as a food. Flowers are also eaten as a food. For example, cauliflower and broccoli. Flowers grow into fruits. Important facts. The hanging branches of a banyan tree are its roots. They provide support to tree. Potatoes, ginger and onions are underground stems. Some flowers have nectar. It is sweet smelling. Some plants like sugarcane and potato store extra food in their stem. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope you all understand the topic. Now it's your turn. If you like and enjoy our tutorial, so comment it fast. You also connect with us, so join our Facebook page, Instagram account and Telegram account while links provided in description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Learn Smart channel. We will meet to you soon in our next tutorial. Don't forget to press bell icon. Take care of yours and your near and dear ones.